In this video, we're going to talk about how to find percent change. And so that could be the change of an item increasing, or maybe an item decreases and we want to know the percent decrease. So it could be either or. And so we're going to look at inflation in this example. And typically inflation, while inflation is really just referring to the percent increase or decrease in prices over a time, typically over a year. And in the United States, typically inflation ranges anywhere from 1 to 3%. We're going to look at a time period from March 2021 to March 2022 where inflation was actually much higher. And so suppose a car of the same value changed price from $15,000 to $16,275. And these are accurate numbers. This inflation is realistic for this time period. So let's figure out what that percentage would actually be. And so step one is to find the amount of increase or decrease. And the way we're going to do that is we're just going to subtract. We're going to subtract the two numbers. Now in this case, I'm just going to subtract the bigger one minus the smaller one. So my calculator, 16,275 minus 15,000. And I'm left with $1,275. And so that was the change, okay? Step two is you're going to divide the amount of increase or decrease by the original amount. So my increase was $1,275, and you're going to divide that by the original amount, which was the $15,000. So that's the original price of the car before it increased. So I'm going to take my answer and I'm going to divide it by $15,000. Okay, and I get a decimal, 0.085. And then step three is you're going to change the resulting decimal to a percent. So to do that, all you need to do is take that decimal and move it two places to the right, or in your calculator, you can just multiply by 100 and you end up getting 8.5%. And so if an item changed from $15,000 to $16,275, like was typical for a car in March 2021 through March 2022, that would represent an inflation rate of 8.5%, which is very high compared to other years.